What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Hedera Hbar, which has been gaining an insane amount of value since the crypto pump just about 10 days ago guys. As you guys can see, in the last 24 hours it has gained just about 30%, currently valued at just over 11 cents. So we'll be going through what is Hedera's next target. Can it essentially hit 20 cents over the next couple of days, weeks, and by the end of the year? How high can it go? Is it a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it time to invest into it and hold on to it for 2025? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, over the last 3 to 4 days it has broken out from the red zone all the way up into the top tier level earlier today, and has gone for a little bit of a dip since, and currently trading in the blue zone. So we'll be going through whereabout is it likely to head up to over the coming days and weeks. But for now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you guys can see at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Hbar, which is here in purple, at just about 6 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 11 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Hedera over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to just over 10 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is the crypto has pumped up quite a bit, especially over the last week, as you guys can see, over 110% increase. So it's time for it to go for a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a price correction, shall I say. So I'm expecting minimal dips. However, over the next couple of hours it is likely to hit green candles heading up to 13 cents, followed by red candles later on this afternoon, evening time, dropping down to just above the 10 cents target is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days guys, we have the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish. So what does this mean for Hedera is, from the graph, it's expected to literally just fluctuate around its current price range of 12 cents. However, I am expecting an over increase in value. It should be hovering around the 16 to 17 cents target by the end of this week is what my predictions are at the moment. Reason being is I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $95,000 by the end of the week, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, and Hedera should also get affected in a bullish direction, heading to around 16 to 17 cents in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. So this is not as realistic as it seems. The only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 10 days. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is not the case guys. So even though, yes, it has gained an insane amount of value, I'm expecting it in late November, early December to take a dip down to around 7 to 8 cents. So I wouldn't call it a crash, but going through a price correction, not just for Hedera, but majority of the cryptocurrencies out there are likely to take a little bit of a dip before they recover and bounce back up by mid to late December, and I'm expecting Hedera to drop and then bounce back up to closer to the 20 cents target by mid to late December is what my predictions are at the moment. But of course there will be more updates before that, and I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel to keep in the loop on my takes and predictions on the crypto market. But at the moment, yes, an overall increase in value is what is expected towards the end of the year and very early next year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading the blue zone. What I'm expecting over the next couple of hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours, is for the crypto to drop down into the green zone, bounce back up into the blue zone, and late November it should drop down into this green zone here, potentially hitting the resistance target of 7 cents approximately, and then bouncing back up slowly and steadily back up into the top tier level by mid to late December and early January. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin has dropped down to $89,000 right now from $92,000 earlier this morning. So the crypto market is a little bit shaky right now, especially after the major pump. It is likely to go for a price correction before it shoots back up, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading close to $100,000 in late November and early December. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone about 130% up in the last 24 hours, making it $1.6 billion in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is quite obvious. The crypto has gained an insane amount of value over the last 7-8 days, so over the last week or so, which has a bullish impact, and a lot of people are trading the crypto. 87% of the community are bullish and 13% are bearish, and that is pretty much the similar statistics on majority of the cryptocurrencies out there. But yeah, at the moment it is looking very good for Hedera and Hbar. So let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Hedera to go in 2024. I've seen people saying 50 cents and so on, which is a little bit of a push for me. 50 cents will require potentially by Q1 Q2 2025, but at the moment I'm expecting it to head around 20 cents in value. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.